welcome to Pamped Clothing. My name is Rockson, the CEO. Please come with me. So this is our fashion design studio or workshop. And then that is our business name on the wall, which is Pamped Clothing Enterprise. We have our large table, which is used for cutting and then ironing. And then it carries the laptop, which is used for design illustration. And then we have our sketch pad, which is used to draw our designs from scratch. It also carries our traditional sewing machine. And then we have a large space where we keep our brown peppers and all other things. So here we have our industrial machines. We have our GEN0000001 sewing machine, and then we also have our GEN0000001 knitting machine. They are already set up for you. So we have our shelf, which is used for organizing our cloth, our tools, and then other materials. We have the hanging area, we have the cloth rack, and then we have spaces for keeping our fabrics and other things. Pamped Clothing Enterprise, we offer commercial services and then training services. We are located at Pomade up the Swedru road, a few meters away from Winneba Junction. We are active on all social media handles at PampedClo. For more inquiries, contact the number on your screens. Thank you.